Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Honda Civic AC. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a manifold gauge set and the correct refrigerant. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Begin by locating the low-pressure service port, which is typically on the larger diameter line. This port is crucial for connecting your equipment safely and effectively. Now let's connect the manifold gauge set. Attach the Bluehost to the low-pressure service port. Make sure the engine is running and your AC is set to its coldest and highest fan speed. Observe the AC compressor. It should be cycling on and off. This cycling indicates the system is attempting to engage, which is necessary for a proper recharge. If it doesn't cycle, there might be a different issue. With the gauge set connected, attach the yellow hose to your refrigerant can tap. Invert the can and slowly open the valve, allowing refrigerant to enter the system. Continuously monitor the low side pressure gauge. You're aiming for a reading between 25 and 40 psi. Avoid overfilling, as this can damage your AC system. Take your time and add refrigerant in small bursts. After adding refrigerant, check the air coming from your vents. It should be noticeably colder. Also, confirm the AC compressor is cycling consistently. Once satisfied, quickly disconnect the gauge set from the low-pressure port to prevent refrigerant loss. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. A properly recharged AC system will keep you cool and comfortable on the road, making every drive more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.